Hi, it's Stuart Robertson, CEO of ShareBuilder 401k, and I'm back to answer some more questions we're getting around markets. What should I be doing with investing during these crazy times with COVID-19 and all we're going through? Of course, it's quite scary. Hopefully you caught last time we talked about what should I be thinking about with my investments. Go back and visit that if you haven't. Here are some other top questions we've been getting that may help you think about what's going on and how you might want to think about your financials, at least your long-term investing. Top one we're getting is down markets. This, what we're going through right now, are pretty rare, right? Actually, no, they're not. Actually, going back to 1852, there have been 32 down markets and 32 recoveries is the good news. If you go back to the Depression, there actually have been 14 recessions and 14 recoveries. So ups and downs are fairly frequent. The average contraction or recession lasts about 17 months, and the average expansion has been lasting about 38 months. So, those are great things to keep out. Tagging onto that question is will markets always recover? And obviously, looking back, that has been the case, which has been fantastic. And this may give some more perspective on what we're experiencing now and what we hope to expect in the market down the road. Back in 1917, the Spanish Influenza hit, which was another pandemic, probably the closest thing in modern times to what we're experiencing now with COVID-19. At the back end of 1917, the markets dropped about 33%. Boy, that sounds pretty familiar to what we've experienced. And then they actually started recovering after that, even though the worst part of that pandemic, at least from the mortality rate, didn't really hit until October of 1918. But in about 2 years' time from that where the market was in 17 before that big drop, it had recovered 2 years later in 1919 to its previous highs. We obviously don't know what's going to happen this time. We have no crystal ball. That said, I think we do believe in American ingenuity. We do believe in American businesses' ability to create value. The government stimulus package, our government's behind us to help us recover. The Fed is making some moves to help us recover. So taking that all into account, hopefully we will be in another great spot that we can all look back at this have been a nice buying opportunity for us versus the fear we are in now of seeing the market drop so dramatically. Well, hopefully that gives you some perspective. Hope you're doing well and staying healthy, and we'll keep providing updates along the way. Take care.